Hush, I'm recording. These old men gonna get the stuff up. It's gonna be a long day of drying.
Man, it's fucking flooded as fuck.
I know it's flooded.
See, I'm trying, like, that shit finna fall. Let me go. Man!
You're gonna have to take off your shoes.
I feel like I'm in motherfucking crawl.
You need to hurry up.
With the water.
Come on now for a freaking limb. I mean, what you call it? See, you playing.
Louis! I want to go back to Brooklyn!
Babe, get inside. You play so much.
We got full coverage. I know you ain't recording me.
I am. Huh? Gotta make it happen. Hurricane Sally. It ain't much damage over here. I know that's right. Get that money. You gotta get it either way. I'm gonna have to. Oh, go powder on there, y'all.
Oh yeah, y'all might have power soon.
Look at the porta potty. And babe, yes, get this power going.
I know that's right.
Oh, look at them. 3 of them down there.
Hope they keep going for streets and streets over. Maybe we'll get it today. Keep going up, baby. Keep going up.
Mom, you can talk. You was talking about something else. And I ain't want to put something in there that's not supposed to be heard.
Supposed to put a beat behind anything I say. Only if I say the tree blue or pink.
recording, so. Oh man, look at that one. It ain't too bad, but the other one was real bad. I'm trying to like put it on YouTube so everybody. Well, I'm pretty sure everybody know we went through a hurricane, but and they just built them houses. I know they mad.
Yeah, all the shingles. Shit tore up, brand new. Sally wasn't no joke. Sally was a beast.
I really hope they're open.
If they're not, I think Raceway is.
Dollar Tree not open. Better move, pigeons.
No.
And they ain't moving.
No, we ain't got no gas, y'all. We'll keep them straight ahead. We know because it's going to be hard to get through there. You might as well go back up, let me see. You might as well go back this back way. Well, no, it's going to be kind of hard.
Mine, just turn right here and then go the other way.
Don't do that.
Man, listen, we is stuck in traffic because everybody's trying to get gas. Everybody is being greedy. We is not prepared at all. Then my brother, he don't want to help. He ain't help with nothing. We just stuck in traffic.
You just got him a bowl of cereals. And he was chilling.
We stuck in traffic. I'm about to show y'all the traffic because we just sitting there. We going a little bit, but not much. And then everybody's trying to get gas at this point. I should have showed y'all the gas station, but I forgot to record it. Don't turn on the music.
Ain't nobody there.
I'm gonna record this.
Please don't.
We waiting on what you call it, y'all. Waiting on traffic to move.
Been sitting here 30 minutes so far.
Feel like an hour.
Sweating bullets. They're playing.
Listen. I ain't trying to look at them. I ain't even trying to be mean, but we cannot let anybody in right now.
You crazy. That D-boy, you ain't gotta let him in. See how he just went through there? Hopefully we'll see a store in just a minute.
Yeah,
If
hopefully
they open.
Hopefully we can find something
Open.
with gas.
With power.
Cause all the power is out. All the trees are down. I'm in this long line waiting to get gas. The line way over there. In the traffic.
I'm what?
Yeah.
Showing off for the camera.
Yo, if you would have seen, oh Lord, that whole power line down. Anyways, if y'all see this road, y'all will be doing the same thing. Oh my God, all the trees they got. That's a lot of trees.
They need to cut them down before they have a big
They need
disaster.
to cut all these down.
I'm scared to even go down here.
Power lines. Gotta be careful with them.
It's power lines, but I'm scared of these trees. Oh man. Look at the power line, the the pole. Look at that one. Boy.
Look at that one, Tay.
Oh yeah.
Look at that one. They got some big ones there. Sally wasn't playing, I'm telling you.
Look at the line right there.
Oh look, that's the line right there.
Did you get that in time? In line?
I would not live back here.
Pretty ferns. They so pretty.
I would not live down here. I wouldn't. It's very nice housing now, but these trees gotta go.
Feel like a road you'll never end. Walking down or riding down.
These trees gotta go. So what day is this, y'all? What day is this?
16 or 17.
This is 17. I don't know what today is.
No, I'm saying, I think today is the second day, y'all. Let me get that off of there. Today is the second day without power.
Oh, I didn't say that.
That's what I was asking. You see why I don't like going down here?
Dang, this road back up too, ain't it?
Cause they trying to do a little shortcut.
Not as much.
I'm trying to go around.
And what is they doing?
She better not be trying to go fast with the car.
Watch out for that lady, babe.
Trying to go
I'm
too.
gonna let her do it.
I'm trying to go too, girl.
You need to come on. We know you tired. For real, I'll be tired too, but
Shit, when we ain't got no gas, we might have to all get on one.
but hurry up. Hurry up.
Yeah. Getting $15 each time.
Look, different person. I'll tell Mr. David. Then Stacy go, I'm go, you'll go. Everybody.
You only told me to take $1 for his motor scooter.
I ain't talking about some $15.
How to get on that?
How you gonna tell us $15? Like $15. Like what do people travel far to get the gas? But let me tell you about this lady. So this lady got cussed out real bad because she don't mind her business. So we was getting the gas and the line was super long, but they was in the wrong direction, so we had to cut. So once we had cut in the line to get the gas or whatever, these other cars had followed us. So once they
I know that's right. Got power in the house. Got power.
So
Power,
once they had what's going on down there?
They're not letting people in because they power out, but they still selling stuff. You really should have got a tape of that.
I should have.
Ooh, this how hard it is out here, baby.
Gotta make that money.
Yes, go back, baby. So take a picture of that. They're selling folks stuff out of the store off of a table because their power's out.
Yes.
They whole Porsche gone.
But okay, y'all. So the lady, she wasn't minding her business, and then she got mad because she had came with 3 people to get 3 cars full of gas while we was coming with our 1 car to get gas.
She's trying to direct.
She's trying to direct the people to get the gas. Somebody, no, you come here. You come here.
Finna get beat up.
And then it's like, what? Where your car? What gas you finna get? And then she had got mad because we ended up getting our gas, and me and this other lady,
somebody,
she was talking trash. So yeah, we had
she got hit with Slim.
we had to get the gas.
Why she gone?
But we got the gas. And even if we gotta go back, y'all, later on tonight and put in more, we can just do that and cut again.
Hopefully we ain't gotta fight.
Look, I said roll the window up, y'all, cause I don't wanna have to go off. So I rolled the window up. Next thing I know, this lady was going off on him. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all later to show y'all how it
You
is
know
during
your phone
Hurricane
too.
Sally.